Hello guys, welcome to the Car Ghost channel. I'm gonna start today's video slightly differently because while I'm editing it, I just noticed that we have already 707 subscribers, and the first thing I want to do is thank you all guys for subscribing and sticking along with the projects, the reviews and everything that we do here. Second thing, I wanted to ask you guys if you were interested in me bringing merch to the channel. That's key tags, glasses, t-shirts. Many YouTubers do it, and I have thought about it, but I don't know what the response is gonna be. So I want to ask you guys if you'd be interested in something like that, and I think it's gonna help the channel tremendously if any of you are interested. Speaking of interested, you can always let me know down in the comment section below. Since we already have 700 subscribers, I wanted to make a promise. If we get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I am going to get a much faster car. I've been thinking an AMG car, since so far it's gonna be a Mercedes channel. Maybe a project car that is gonna be really fast, or an AMG car, or maybe a project AMG car. We don't know, could be all in one. But if you guys help me get to 1,000 subscribers by New Year's, I am seriously thinking of getting the car. So like this, we can have more content. I can actually go to race days, racetrack days, maybe drag strip races, drag races, whatever, and I won't be embarrassed, because Slate, let's face it, it's not the most sporty or racy car ever. It is a great mile cruncher and daily driver, but it's not up to the task. Now I'm gonna let you watch the video of when I took Slate back from repairs. It's not very long, and spoiler alert, I paid zero, because there is a lot of rambling at the end, so you can skip the end if that's what you fancy. But again, thanks for 700 subscribers. Continue watching for the rest of today's video. Is this thing on? All right. Time to go and return the GLC and pick up Slate. We had some good fun time with the car. I put a few hundred miles on it, but now it's time to go back and pick up the main player of this channel, my Mercedes-Benz E350 called Slate. And for those of you who are here for the first time, I'd appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. We do a lot of car events, car modifications, car products, and yeah, that's it. My name is Ivan. Welcome to the Car Ghost channel. Alright, one thing I forgot to do is put gas in the car. So we are at Shell, and while the attendants put in gas, I'm going to get rid of the trash that was in the car. It's nice to return your car with as much fuel as you got it from the dealership. Like this, you're in good standing, and next time you go and ask for a car, they'll give you a nicer one. Also, I gotta pick up my coffee mug and my pumpkin, and then we're all set to return the car. Got the mug. Here's my backpack. We're gonna press the button. Maybe I shouldn't have pressed it with the camera, but it's time to say bye to the GLC 300. Had a good time with it. Let's go and pick up Slate and see what the service was. I like Mercedes-Benz dealership. They have coffee and muffins and bagels and pastry here, but it's now afternoon, so it's not that full as usually is. Alright, I got the paperwork of what's done and what's not done on the car. Have the car nice and washed. Thank you, Mercedes-Benz Silverstar. Let's go inside, get out of here, and I'll run you through what service was done for the car. Alright, I just parked in front of my work, or close by, and I want to run you through what it costed, which is zero, and what it was done to Slate. Now, for SBC pump, diagnosis needs to be done, and then first procedure is a reset of the SBC pump and the software. That was performed, and then no fault was found with the SBC pump, so the light was on for no reason. Next thing, so the SBC pump was not replaced. But if you guys have a faulty SBC pump already diagnosed and you have a W211 chassis made between 2003 and 2009 or 6, I'm not 100% sure, you should go to your dealership and they should diagnose it and change it for free. So that's one from me. So what they did was labor zero, everything is zero. So I paid this much for being serviced, and then I also got a 27-point inspection. All right, so diagnostic customer agrees diagnostics fee. Diagnostics will be included in repairs under warranty. All right, performed short test, found that check operating time of component A7 at hydraulic unit, current and stored, process paperless. Great, so that was done. The software was restored, and the SBC pump is not faulty, but I'm covered for another 13 years, so that's good. Fuel tank. I did smell gasoline when the tank is full, and that is also under warranty. So I returned the car. I mean, when I gave them the car, they already ordered everything, so that was changed. It was hexagon nut, cable harness, ring, general plastic clamp, bolt and washer assembly, 2 times screws, and seal rings, and hexagon nut, fuel tank. So everything over there was replaced for zero, and I can't express enough thanks to Silver Star Motors for doing a fantastic job and providing me with the C300. So thank you, Carol, thank you, Marco, for a great job. Also 27-point or 27-point complimentary inspection was done, and I know that I need to change spark plugs, the shifting linkage bushings, and a few other things, but that I already knew. So thank you for watching today's video. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up. It really does help me a lot, and it makes me feel good. If you're stopping by for first time, subscribe for a lot more videos to come. Till next time, bye.